Hello everybody, I'm Shrantal, the creator of ApoTHEOSeS. Today I will show to the gentleman how to use the HUD to apply sock over the mesh body. So let's go with Dave. Dave have a Johnny mesh body. He will need to use the HUD to use their own HUD to the mesh body. First of all, let's add the vendor. Click, receive the folder. Right click to detach and put the box inside the folder. You will get all the HUD and the sock for the classic people. So the classic avatar, it's really easy. You right click and you add. Now Dave is a mesh avatar, you will not see the sock. But for the classic you will straight away see. You got an alpha, it's only for the classic avatar who will wear the shoes. If I use the alpha for the mesh, also you cannot have any difference. This is just for classic. For the mesh avatar, you will need to use the HUD. If you don't have the HUD for your own body, Beleza, signature or slink, you can use the Omega one, but with your HUD body you will need to have from your body the Omega system installed before you use it. So let's go. Now Dave add the signature, I right click and I add it. You will notice on the screen it's underwear and all the colors are available for the body I did. So now you use the mesh body HUD. If I click to apply, nothing apply. Why? Because I use the HUD, but you will need to show. Here it's hide and show. Just toggle and you will see it. You toggle is go. Toggle is gone. So easy like that. You got a mask too. You can apply mask over your sock. Why you use the mask? Sometimes you have two appliers go in conflict. You will need to use the mask. But not for this time. You don't need. After it's easy, you just click the HUD and it will change all the color. I create nice color, easy to apply. No need to make color over. Just use for example, you don't find a good color. You want another color like all turquoise. You don't have. On your body HUD, you got a color system. So here it's underwear. We have choose on the applier underwear. So go on your color is the third here. Underwear. If you have choose tattoo, you go tattoo. Close that. You click. And here it's your color picker. So let's try to find a nice turquoise and straight away you apply. If it don't apply, you need to click on the drop. For example, I click the drop. Oh, it's black. It's why? It's because the color shader is there. If you put it here, it will be lighter, more gray. It's the same as the intensity of the color, darker or lighter. If I go, for example, on green, I want to put it back more dark. You say, okay, I want to apply blue. Oh, how come it's not the same blue now? It's so dark. Because you have apply color over. You need to clear it. How to clear it? Easy way. You just click the white, it's gonna clear. It's blue now. Or you can save the white color, one button. Let's save. Okay. Now I have saved. For example, I go red. I put, I don't know, brown over. Like that over. And I click. My drop, it was safe. For example, I need to have a, I don't know, I like the green. But How come it's red? Because my base color is blue. So the green will go over the blue. It will not go straight away. So you need first to click at the white, and straight away it will be the pure color you will have. If you go on the dark color like that, the color will go over the dark color. So you can create million color. You go like that. You want to have the pure color, click on the white shader. You want to add color over, you click. You adjust. You don't want, you can click the drops back, you just save the color. For example, we put this color, we like it. It's awful, but we like it. We want to save it. Clear one drops and save. If, for example, you want to change the color for a nice blue, you want to save over the pink, you click. Now it's not the same menu. You have to click because it's already saved. You click overwrite. That's it. This is the way how to use the applier over your body. So, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.